Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Courtney. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. It's a little hard to hear you.
Is my voice not clear?
Now it is. I think your mic was just too far away.
That's why. I just my microphone close to my mouth.
Sorry if that's uncomfortable.
Okay. So I hope now it's clear, right?
It is. And what's your name?
My name is Anush Courtney.
Honest?
It's Anuj.
Where are you from?
Okay, tell me. I'm from Northeast India. Does my profile not show you my name?
Um, it does it did yesterday, but then when I logged
Okay.
on this morning, it just said reservation.
Oh, okay. Just
So
not my name.
I Yeah, I think with the new classroom, they're having a lot of glitches, I guess you could say.
So where are you, Courtney, and where are you from exactly?
I'm from the United States. I live in Ohio. Have
Okay,
you ever
so
traveled to the United States?
no, no, never. I hope in future, but not so far. Actually, I have been to abroad so far. I have not been. Okay, just I have been to Nepal actually, which is right in the north of, and it's free for to visit Nepal without any payment. That's what.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you don't need like a passport or anything?
No, I don't need visa. No passport, no visa. But I think when Indians travel through air, okay, by airplanes, so they just check passport for formalities, okay. But yes, as identification, they check it. But I think they don't ask for visa. And if you go through the roadways, then certainly it's free. So it's like you can go the more you want, going and
Mhm.
coming. Yes. And as I think 35 or 40% people from India, especially in the south of Nepal, so it's like the same culture there, related with my region, because the state, my state, I mean, the border of my state with Nepal.
Okay.
That's kind of culture connected with my region, especially with my region, not with the entire nation.
So very
Yes.
similar when you're in the United States, like when I travel to Pennsylvania, there's not much difference.
How
But
far
if
is
I
it?
went Pennsylvania, if I drove to Pennsylvania, it's about 3 hours.
Okay.
Well,
It's like
actually, to
3 hours by car.
By car. But to
Okay.
cross over, I guess it's only about an hour and a half, but to get where I go in Pennsylvania, 3 hours.
Okay. Okay. So I got it. So it's like neighbor states.
Yep.
That's cool. That's cool. So you are in USA at this time.
Yes.
All right. All right. That's nice. So tell me that what's your location? I mean, in the south or north, east, west, where?
Northeast.
So you are in the northeast of the US.
Yep.
Okay. So maybe very close to New York?
Yep. New York is like this.
I-
We're
In the
Ohio's here and New
southeast?
York. Uh,
New York in the southeast, I think, or exactly in the east.
It's in the New York is in northeast. So we're almost
Northeast.
neighbors.
Okay. So the same location, right? You're also in the
Pretty
Northeast.
pretty much the same location.
Okay. And can you tell me which river is close to you?
Which
River.
river?
Yes.
Oh
I
my.
actually forgot because I know that New York City is located very close to a river,
I don't know what river, but we have Lake Erie by us.
Lake Erie.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
towards like Cleveland area by us, but I don't know what river would be by us. I'm
Maybe you didn't search.
I'm not good at geography.
Actually, I actually I'm interested. I'm interested in geography, and kind of I got a lesson about all the major cities of the world which are located on rivers. So New York was one of them actually, but I forgot which river now.
Did you
Yes.
take notes?
No, 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 no. Not notes. Actually, I was reading in a book.
Okay. Well, you have to go
Yes.
back to the book and look it up and then let me know.
So it was like 3 or 4 years ago.
Oh, wow.
That's why. That's why I can't. I can't. Okay, so Courtney, how much time do we
We have
have left?
about 7 minutes.
Okay, so 3 7. Okay, it's like 7 or 8 minutes now. I see.
Yep, you see
I
it
don't
counting
know.
down.
Yes, I only see that your lesson will end at 3:15. It's 3 7, so it's like 8 minutes left. I see.
In the top left, you should see a countdown.
I used to see it before, but I don't know what's with the new update of this application. It doesn't show. Yes,
Right?
before, I mean before 3 or 4 lessons before, I used to see it in the right down corner, but at this time it doesn't show. It only shows that your lesson will end at 3:15 p.m. and the time is now 3:08. So right, you can calculate, which is 7 minutes difference now.
You'll have to write to them and let them know that they're messing it all up. They're confusing us.
and